Snoring isn't just noise. It's one of the fastest ways couples lose sleep and patience. Here's what usually happens. One person falls asleep, the other lies awake staring at the ceiling. Then come the nudges, the sighs, the rolling over at 2 a.m. Your partner isn't annoyed at you, they're exhausted, and exhaustion turns into tension over time. First thing to try, sleep on your side instead of your back. Back sleeping allows the airway to collapse. Side sleeping helps keep it open. Try this for a full week. If it helps but doesn't fully stop the snoring, there's a faster option. Many couples use an adjustable mouthpiece to support breathing all night. The quiet sleep solution people notice in just a few nights is in the pinned comment.